You won't want to miss Billionaire chemist Chamath's outrageous price if you're interested in Tesla's future and how it's poised to transform transportation, renewable energy, insurance, and robotics. Target forecasts for the Tesla stock. In a conversation in this video, Chamath breaks down his ideas and explains why he thinks the price of Tesla stock will soar to levels the stock market has never seen. Since this is the main topic of the video, please give it a thumbs up before it ends and remember to subscribe to Tesla stock news. Despite criticism of its high share price, Chamath thinks Tesla will grow significantly, potentially tripling or even doubling its value as it continues to revolutionize the automotive industry by putting a strong emphasis on addressing climate change. The global shift toward renewable energy sources, which will also disrupt the power utilities industry, is anticipated to be advantageous for Tesla. The biggest disruption, in Chamath's opinion, will be to power utilities. There are trillions of dollars in bonds, capex, and value sitting inside of the global energy generation infrastructure, which will be turned on its head. And when that happens, Tesla will double and triple again. Chamath believes that Tesla will be a major player in this disruption, and its stock price will rise as a result. Given the growing concern about climate change and the increased adoption of renewable energy sources, as well as the fact that energy costs are compounding at a rate of 3 to 4% per year in many states, which means that they double every 10 to 15 years, Chamath believes Tesla will be a significant player in the disruption. This presents an opportunity for Tesla to offer a more affordable and sustainable energy solution. Even though energy production is free, consumers are hit with a 100% increase in their sales every 5 to 8 years due to the maintenance and replacement costs of aging infrastructure, which presents a business opportunity for Tesla. Utilities are a perfect example of an industry where monopolies exist and the law requires them to invest a certain amount annually in upgrading power lines, replacing turbines, and ensuring a smooth transition from coal to wind power. According to Chamath, the world's richest person should be someone who is actively working toward a sustainable future, and Tesla is at the forefront of this movement. Tesla is a shining example of a company that is fixing and fighting climate change. By harnessing, storing, and using energy efficiently and sustainably, Tesla's focus on renewable energy and sustainable transportation has produced a distributed energy business that is revolutionizing the way we think about energy. Entrepreneur and venture capitalist Chamath Palihapitiya recently urged investors to support entrepreneurs who are making significant changes in the world, including Tesla's efforts to deliver clean energy and build a sustainable future, despite concerns from Wall Street analysts regarding the high price of Tesla shares. Tesla is enabling humans to be productive while reducing their impact on the environment. Chamath has been urging investors to support businesses that are dedicated to bringing about positive change, and Palihapitiya believes that betting against Tesla's success is unwise given the rising demand for green energy. He explained how he believes that people would want to live green there and that each of the world's 100 million homeowners will eventually build their own mini power plant to compete with the country's roughly 1,700 public utility companies. Palihapitiya predicts that each of the world's 100 million homeowners will eventually build their own mini power plant to compete with the country's roughly 1,700 public utility companies. He's especially enthusiastic about Tesla's efforts and believes that it would be foolish to bet against Tesla's success, especially as the demand for green energy continues to grow. He thinks that Tesla's robot Optimus has the potential to upend the industry as much as the iPhone did, and that it will continue to lead the way in the development of cutting-edge technology due to its expertise in this field. Ag technologies. He used the example of battery EVs and solar panels, which are currently a profitable proposition for 100 million homes, to explain that such products were an example of the former category where people are willing to pay the price. He also highlighted the importance of lowering the price or making the features so compelling that people are willing to pay it no matter what. Palihapitiya also spoke about the developments in Tesla's projects, such as the robot Optimus, which was displayed at Tesla's 2023 Investor Day and can now walk, carry out simple tasks, and pick up objects. Pelham, the AI that operates the Tesla Model S, is the most advanced in the real world, according to Palihapitiya, who likened the car to a robot on wheels and Optimus to a robot on legs. Although Wall Street analysts are concerned about the high price of Tesla shares, billionaire Chamath recently stated his support for business people who are making significant changes to the world, including the development of sustainable energy solutions like Tesla's electric vehicles, solar panels, and power walls. Chamath explained how he believed that people will eventually want to live more sustainably and how each of the world's 100 million homeowners will eventually build their own mini power plant to compete with the country's roughly 1,700 public utility companies. Chamath also believes that investors should continue to support businesses that are working towards a greener future. He believes that battery electric vehicles and solar panels are examples of this phenomenon. and that with the introduction of government incentives like President Biden's initiatives, it is now a money-making proposition for millions of homes. Chamath also provided an example of how a new potentially game-changing product hits the market and how 3 to 5% of consumers called believers purchase the product out of blind faith and its promise of a better tomorrow. He also expressed enthusiasm for Optimus Prime and other upcoming Tesla projects. According to Chamath, the Tesla humanoid robot has significant potential because he thinks it could upend the industry like the iPhone did when it first came out. Chamath cites Tesla's advanced real-world AI as one of the company's main advantages. Tesla has made significant investments in AI, especially for self-driving cars, and this technology can be used for robotics. Tesla's artificial intelligence AI capabilities are among the most sophisticated in the world, and they have helped the company achieve outstanding results in autonomous driving. A humanoid robot named Optimus is planned to be able to carry out a variety of tasks, from straightforward housework to more difficult ones like manufacturing and construction. The robot is anticipated to have a variety of sensors and cameras that will allow it to navigate the environment, recognize objects and people, and carry out tasks precisely. Tesla is in a unique position to revolutionize the robotics industry with Optimus, thanks to its knowledge of AI and experience with electric vehicles. Moving on to the subject of humanoid robots, Tesla is aiming to develop a robot that is not only capable but also affordable, making it available to a wider range of customers. Chamath posits intriguing questions about the purpose of the economy and believes that the key advantage is that they should be able to move around autonomously and complete tasks without having to be programmed to react. If, at last, the output per person is significantly higher and the robot-to-human ratio is greater than 1-to-1, Chamath shares his thoughts on why Elon Musk is such a special leader and a force of nature, stating that very few people are given the opportunity to build something as monumentally important as Elon, and even fewer are willing to live in their factory and sleep on the floor in order to realize their vision. But first, let's quickly review what we've covered so far. This clip examines Chamath, Tesla's predictive future and how it would revolutionize, according to Palihapitiya, transportation, robotics, and insurance for renewable energy. Chamath discusses Tesla's efforts to combat climate change and build a sustainable future, including its distributed energy businesses that harness, store, and use energy efficiently and sustainably. Chamath believes that Tesla will continue to disrupt the automotive industry and become a major player in the global shift towards renewable energy sources, which will also disrupt the power utilities industry. That's it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Chamath believes that Tesla's innovations will continue to change the world and that investors should support businesses that are pursuing a greener future.